Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 4th September. And first of all, national news. India will have no place for corruption, casteism, communalism. PM Modi. Retired army officer who led surgical strike now has Manipur task at hand. ISRO's Sun mission Aditya L1 performed its first earthbound maneuver. Top Law Ministry officials brief panel chairman Ramnath Kovind on simultaneous polls. Odisha to receive heavy rainfall in next 2 days, IMD said. Monsoon to see brief revival over East Central India, IMD forecasted. Millets to take center stage as G20 leaders, spouses visited Delhi's PUSA campus. PM Modi rejected China's objections on G20 meets, speaks up on Russia-Ukraine war. Now international news. Russia hit Ukraine port on Romania border, Kyiv said, down Moscow drone. Governments have nothing to fear from church, Pope's message for China. G20 meetings held in every part of country, PM on Kashmir, Arunachal over China and Pakistan. Thousands evacuated as Typhoon Haikyuu headed for Taiwan. Joe Biden visited storm-hit Florida will not meet Governor Ron DeSantis. Now some sports news. I am just thinking about Asian Games. Javelin thrower Kishore Jena. Mohan Bagan beat East Bengal 1-0 to win Durand Cup title for first time after 23 years. Harmanpreet Kaur, only Indian player to get picked in Women's Big Bash League overseas draft. India's World Cup team finalized, Sanju Samson missed out. Now news related to business. LPG price cut, Ujjwala expansion could cost over 36,000 crore annually. As UPI crossed 10 billion transactions mark, a look at India's key foreign policy sale, digital public infra. SEBI to curb influencers to help investors get accurate and biased information. PM Modi emphasized on financial discipline as opposed to irresponsible populist measures. And that's all in news. Thank you.